Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company today for you. 2019 Kubota BX23S. This tractor is a tractor loader Backhoe LA340 Swift Tatch loader on this tractor, and it's going to have the BT603 subframe mount backhoe attachment. This tractor has 215 hours on it. I bought this tractor originally in 2021 with about 130 hours on it, and actually sold it to a local customer. He decided then to go a different direction with what he was doing, and I purchased the tractor back off of him. We serviced it. All fillers and oils are changed again and ready to go. This tractor was sold new, I believe, 7/19 of 19, and we'll still have powertrain warranty, so engine, transmission, hydraulics until 7/19 of 2025. I do have available, it did not come with it, but I do have a almost brand new 60-inch belly mower deck, complete kit that I could put underneath this for someone for an additional cost. It would not be included with the tractor, but we do have that available. You can ask Matt or I about that. We're glad to give you some pricing. We're going to start here under the hood. We're going to take you completely around this tractor. So, under the hood, this tractor is going to be powered by a Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There is no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. And again, we did get through. That is something that we do here. Very proud that we do that. We get through and service our stuff. All the fillers and oils have been changed. We have used all OEM Kubota fillers and oils with this tractor. There is one little scuff here on the hood, right here and right here. Everybody see that? Doesn't affect anything. Want everybody to see that. These do have the front fold-out grill guard. 48-inch bucket with bolt-on cutting edge is in excellent condition. R4 tires. Tires are going to be about 85%. In the rear, again, BT603 backhoe attachment. Comes with a 12-inch bucket. All the pins are here to secure the boom, swing, and the lift lock pin is in there, okay? Folding roll bar. This tractor is 3-point hitch ready. If you need a 3-point hitch kit, it did not come with one. The guy did not get one whenever he purchased it. We can sell you a new one. Just let us know. We're glad to quote that for you. Does have the OEM Kubota nice high back seat with the armrest package on it. Very, very nice. Does have a Kubota spin knob on the quick knob on the steering wheel. 215 hours. All gauges work. 4-ways turn signals. Here's your throttle. This does have the newer style joystick loader here, which brings it back closer to the operator. High and low range. And you have your PTO selections over here. Does have tilt wheel, parking brake. And again, this is mower deck ready. So one nice thing about a BX, I will give Kubota massive amounts of credit. I love my Kubota stuff. What is so nice on a BX series tractor, if you have a 50, a 60, a 70, or an 80 series tractor, the same RCK54 or RCK60-23BX decks fit under all of these tractors. And that also includes a BX24, a BX25, BX25D, and the BX23S. Try to do that on a John Deere and you will get an education like you won't believe. And I'm not knocking a John Deere. It is just, it's crazy the different amounts of mounting brackets, and this doesn't sub to that. And one thing Kubota really did, and I honestly will give them a lot of credit for that, they allowed those implements to interchange under these tractors, which was an absolutely wonderful idea. So I'm going to hop on this tractor. We're going to run it around. We'll show you it does everything it's supposed to do, and here we go. So, I love these little tractors. They are a very good little tractor. As far as I'm concerned, the Kubota engine cannot be beat, especially the little D902s. So we're in 4-wheel drive. There you can see we're going there, we're out. Oh, I picked the wrong gear. My fault. All right, here, let's do that again. 4-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive out. There we go. So there was low range 4-wheel drive. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to high range. Turn our 4-ways on and our headlights. So the BX23, BX25, same essential tractor. They've done some little updates in the 23, such as they did change the loader to the Swift Tatch, change the steering column a little bit as far as the tilt wheel, a little different floor pad, but nice improvements. Very nice, comfortable running tractor loader backhoe. So we'll go ahead and we'll set the park brake. Now on these tractors, you are going to flip a little lever here. You're going to rotate this seat around and you are going to latch that. So footrest right up on here. Now, nice thing is you can still reach back, give it some throttle. Pick ourselves up. Very nice, very smooth little tractors. There's absolutely no oil leaks on this tractor, and again, it still has factory warranty on the powertrain. So again, that's engine and hydraulics, 7/17 of 25. And you can see I'm only running, I can actually tell you here, we're running about 2100 RPM. We're nowhere near even wide open. You can see all the nice positions you can get this little tractor into. Go ahead and pick up our stabilizers. So, these little tractors, we'll quickly talk about that. There's all of our boom locking pins in and done. Always put your transport locks in. The reason behind that is they should be put in. Take stress off your cylinders, and especially if you are going to haul it, you should always have them in. To remain legal and safe, you should do that. So, these little tractors have skyrocketed in price, new. This little tractor right now, you're probably $26,000, $27,000. There again, that's with no mower deck. You're pushing almost 30 with the mower deck now. But I will say this much, we try to price our stuff more than fair, more than reasonable, and we do back our stuff by servicing it so we know what we have so that it's taken care of, and you, the owner, don't have to worry about that. A lot of guys do not do that. We pride ourselves also in not buying auction equipment. We do not do that. A lot of guys out there today, that's all they do is buy auction stuff. Tilt wheel, cruise control, headlights, four ways, turn signals, everything works. Park brake. Again, any questions, 814-658-3066. One thing I do want to show, this park stand right here for the Swift Tatch, he wrapped a strap around it whenever he hauled it, apparently, and it bent this little bracket right here. It doesn't hurt anything. It doesn't affect anything. We had the loader off. I just didn't want somebody to go, oh, that park stand looks like it has a bend in it. It does. It doesn't affect anything. There again, we left it for that reason, because everything functions the way it should. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please understand this tractor has powertrain warranty. And yes, please understand Mark's Supply Company owns it. And no, I'm not out to get anybody. And you know, don't have your send stupid offers. We understand the market. We know what stuff is. You're welcome to come take a look at it. We have nothing to hide. We guarantee it to be 110% just the way we stated it is. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.